Well, let's talk about the political battlefield and the kind of election-bound states have been witnessing. Because just a day after, the Chief Justice of India described West Bengal as the most polarized state and accused everyone of speaking in the political language. The words are now ringing to be true very, very loudly, especially in Malda. Because as far as West Bengal is concerned in elections, it is always and usually associated with violence. Now, 2 days after the Malda mayhem, at least 35 people have been arrested, including the alleged mastermind of the Gherao of the 7 judicial officers, identified as an advocate, Mufakarullah Islam, the man who is said to be accused of instigating the mob outside the Kaliachak Block Development Office and was nabbed from Siliguri's Bagdogra airport in an attempt to flee while he was trying to board a flight. Now, Islam is the man. As far as you can see, the kind of provocation that was seen on top of a vehicle, addressing a charged crowd outside the office where judicial officers were holed up for hours and then only for doing their job, their duty. He has now been booked for instigating the locals through speeches, listening to the man himself calling out the administration, almost issuing a dare right in front of a charged crowd. Now, over the directions of the Supreme Court of India, the NIA has now officially taken over when it comes to the investigation in Malda violence. Facing questions over alleged inaction, West Bengal Chief Minister Mamata Banerjee now claims that credit for the arrest, saying because it was the CID attributing it that who had made those arrests, and the handover has now happened to NIA. But in that very same breath, she has shifted the blame for the breakdown of the law and order machinery to the Election Commission of India, to the BJP as well, to even the Secular Front, to even the AIMIM, and she has even shifted the blame to Congress. So nobody has been spared from Mamata Banerjee's wrath.
মালদার মোথাবাড়িতে যে ঘটনা ঘটেছে, যে করেছে তাকে হাতে নাতে ধরেছে জানেন আমাদের সিআইডি, অর্থাৎ লোকাল পুলিশ নয়, বাগডোগরা দিয়ে পালাচ্ছিল, মুম্বাই থেকে এসেছিল, মুম্বাই থেকে বিজেপি ধার করে ওই মিমকে নিয়ে এসছে। আইএসএফ ওদের সাথে, কংগ্রেসেরও উস্কানি আছে আর বিজেপিরও উস্কানি আছে। বিহারে এরা ভোট কেটে বিজেপিকে জিতিয়েছিল বিজেপির টাকায়, আর কালকেও যে দাঙ্গা করেছিল পরশুদিন সেটাও এরাই করেছিল।
দেখা যাচ্ছে একে ইচ্ছে করে পরোক্ষভাবে প্রত্যক্ষভাবে ভারতীয় জনতা পার্টির মদত রয়েছে। এরা যতই ওই মিমের বিরোধী বলুক আর ইত্যাদি করুক অনেক কিছু, কিন্তু মদত দিয়েছেন তারা এই অরাজকতা করার জন্য। এবং এটা তো সত্যি যে বাগডোগরা এয়ারপোর্ট থেকে পালাচ্ছিল যখন, হয়তো পালাতে দিতেও, কিন্তু যদি ওদের হাতেই থেকে যেত তাহলে সে পথে পালিয়ে যেত, सीआईडी गए धरेছে तो।
देखिए एनआईए इन्वेस्टिगेशन चल रही है हमारे इलेक्शन कमीशन, चीफ इलेक्शन कमिश्नर के निर्देश से। उससे पहले सीआईडी का एक गिरफ्तार करना, इसको इसमें थोड़ा डाउट लग रहा है मुझे। गिरफ्तारी के लिए हुआ है कि बचाने के लिए हुआ है, इसके इन्वेस्टिगेशन के बाद में पता चलेगा।
Now, you saw how political discourse has now been witnessed just ahead of the elections, because this is where the story gets politically explosive. Because Mufakarul Islam contested 2021 Bengal elections, and that too on a ticket of the AIMIM, a detail that the TMC was quick to spotlight. And day before his arrest, what we are looking at from there itself, the blame game has now spiraled. What has happened even before the incident, hours before, what did the TMC know? The ruling party claims that this only reinforces its charge that Asaduddin Owaisi's AIMIM is nothing but BJP's B team that has been deployed to stoke unrest. The AIMIM, however, alleges that it is the TMC which is using to divide Muslims and turning them into convenient scapegoats.
It is total failure from Mamata administration. What IG intelligence was doing, what district magistrate of that district doing, what SP was doing. Why only Mamata target a Muslim fellow, Muslim youth in everything? Whenever Mamata want to face something, Mamata want to save herself, she put a Muslim guy in front of the
2021 में मुफक्किर इस्लाम साहब जिनको अरेस्ट किया मालदा के मामले में, वो हमारी पार्टी के इलेक्शन में नॉमिनेशन कैंडिडेट थे, एमएलए के, असेंबली के। अभी हमारी पार्टी में वो एक्टिव नहीं है।
Now, what happened that very day when it comes to the 7 judicial officers that were held for over 9 hours without any food, without any water, without any facility? Let's give you an insight. because this is something what the BJP has now posted. In a deeply disturbing incident that was reported from Malda in West Bengal, several judicial officers who were allegedly held hostage for hours after being out by an irate mob, and among them was also a women judicial officer. What makes this incident even more chilling seems to be a distress call that was made during the ordeal. A woman judicial officer reportedly said that if something happens to me, please take care of my child. And this seems to be the very audio that has exposed when it comes to the security lapses as well. And this is something which is now being posted on part of the BJP. Because even after the judicial officers were rescued and they were sent back to their respective places of stay, they were targeted again. They were targeted with stones, they were targeted with bamboo sticks, they were targeted with bricks. And this seems to be, as far as when it comes to law and order, that has now been witnessed, because state government, Mamata Banerjee, says that you were the one, as far as Election Commission of India is the one, right after the dates were announced, they had changed the key administrators and the officials there, and it now lies as your responsibility to fix accountability in the case as to who was responsible behind the Malda violence.
Car suffered accident. Please communicate it to register, sir. Our pilot is no more there. Our pilot car has suffered accident due to these hurdles. Our pilot is no more there. He has suffered accident due to the hurdles of bamboos and the hurdles and the bricks. We are traveling alone. High Court, take care of my children. Take care of my children if something happens to me.
Well, Hridita, this certain purported video clip has been posted by the BJP that talks about a certain women judicial officer that seems to be making a distress call, an SOS call, seeking help.
Absolutely, you hear that on Wednesday night, 7 judicial officers were stranded for nearly 9 hours, out of which, as sources tell us, there were 3 women judicial officers, and this video was made by one of them. So these judicial officers, they were fearing their life, which is very clear on the SOS call and the video that she has made. Over the video, we can also hear that the audio clip clearly tells us of the stone pelting that has happened on the way they were made hostage, on how they were attacked with bamboo sticks, and also she cries to the High Court stating that please take care of my children as if something happens to me, because the pilot who was driving their car, he had been attacked with bamboo sticks and then he died. So looking at this horrifying situation, it was chilling and it was also threatening for the 7 judicial officers who was processing peacefully the SIR process in West Bengal, but they had to face this, and after which she makes a cry to the High Court to save her children, because she was also unsure what would happen to her next.
Because what does it also suggest, Hridita? Because even after the judicial officers were rescued, they again came under attack. Apparently, there were reports of stones being pelted, bricks being pelted, and this seems to be the situation, the kind of horrifying ordeal that they had to face just because they were doing their duty.
Absolutely, we see soon after they were evacuated from being hostages, at least for 9 hours. While they were traveling back, they were in a Scorpio car that they were traveling back.
Let me connect with the BJP voice here, Hridita. Please to stay on with us. Kiya Ghosh is connected with us. Kiya Ghosh, this video itself has been, a purported video has been posted on part of the BJP, which seems to, make an appearance of a certain women judicial officer who seems to be making a distress call or an SOS call. That seems to be giving out the sentiment exactly what was going on when Malda violence was at its peak. Kiya Ghosh, what is your reaction to this video that has been posted by the BJP?
Yes, I had posted this video day through yesterday. It is very appalling. It is absolutely chilling, like your colleague just mentioned, that a female judicial officer, along with 6 other people, 6 judicial officials, they were held in captivity by goons, by Mufakkarul and the entire team. And then later, when they were freed from there, their cars were vandalized, their driver were beaten up. So this is the kind of law and order situation in West Bengal, where there is absolutely no law and order. courtesy, the incitement of one and only Mamata Banerjee. The distress call, the SOS call of the female judicial official that please take care of my children. High Court, please take care of my children in case anything happens to me.
Yes.
This easily, in one sentence, she has said it all. The kind of situation which we are living in, this is a living hell. Courtesy Ms. Mamata Banerjee, who has been inciting people regarding SIR continually. She failed to do this in CAA and Waqf. Now she is trying to get a piece of meat in the entire SIR issue. She has been faking the numbers of death.
Yes.
However, she's absolutely not bothered when the potato farmers, they're committing suicide one by one. So Mamata Banerjee, she wants to stop the SIR process.
But Kiya Ghosh, there is a
reason.
political blame game as well that seems to be happening. But unfortunately, it seems that even the judicial officers are not safe in the state of West Bengal. Thank you very much for joining us here on the broadcast. As far as when it comes to this purported video is concerned that has been posted by the BJP, Times Now cannot independently verify as far as when it comes to this particular video is concerned. But what this video seems to be giving out as far as its message is concerned, you can actually hear the panic and how scared the alleged women judicial officer was while they were in a state of panic and they were about to flee from the area where an irate mob was attacking them.
Suffered accident. Please communicate it to register, sir. Our pilot is no more there. Our pilot car has suffered accident due to these hurdles. Our pilot is no more there. He has suffered accident due to the hurdles of bamboos and the hurdles and the bricks. We are traveling alone. High Court, take care of my children. Take care of my children if something happens to me.
Well, if take care of my child if something happens to be there, you can almost hear the judicial officer breaking down because she did not see any hope. She did not know that she will survive this ordeal. But this is now BJP coming in an attack mode against when it comes to the TMC-led government in the state of West Bengal, because this hostage horror that seems to have played out and allegedly captured as far as this particular video is concerned, that has been now posted by the BJP, and the BJP is blaming no one else but other than Mamata Banerjee, saying that it is the state government that is responsible as far as the judicial officer who were held for not just 1, 2, but for several hours. And they have been now describing this entire video to be chilling, disturbing and also unacceptable. Pradeep Bhandari of the BJP as well has also put out a post on this purported video that has been posted by a BJP leader in West Bengal. Let's take a look at what he says, that this is chilling, disturbing and unacceptable. Shocking distress call from a woman judicial officer on the day of the incident when they were held captive in Malda. If something happens to me, High Court, please take care of my child. Under TMC, even judicial officers are not safe. They fear for their life. And the fight in Bengal is not just political. It is to save Bengal from TMC's fear of intimidation and dictatorship. Well, this seems to be as far as when it comes to this purported video is concerned, which we cannot independently verify. But the BJP is now saying that even judicial officers are not safe in West Bengal. To this purported video, first reaction is coming in from the TMC side. Let's play that out.
No, we would want him to flag the date of the picture of Mamata Banerjee and what that meant, the name you mentioned. Because you will find many more pictures of Shubhendu Adhikari and Mamata Banerjee also. So the dates are very important. But we know he was a meme candidate. He's a lawyer who was escaping from Bagdogra airport. Election Commission, so much so that the Model Code of Conduct is on, did not manage to, prevent him from escaping. Rather, it was the CID who did it. So I think he was being let go. So this is something which is very suspicious, because we know that BJP is behind this.
Well, who's shirking responsibility? Because the TMC says that this is a clear-cut conspiracy that seems to have been orchestrated by the BJP over the Malda incident. Well, that seems to be the political discourse that is being witnessed. We'll get you more election-related updates on the other side of a very short break.